If you're thinking about updating the look of your kitchen, replacing your undermount sink is an easy upgrade.
And we're going to show you how to do it right.
Our undermount sink was installed with our new countertops and it looks great.
But recently, I've been thinking about replacing this stainless steel with matte black to add more contrast to my kitchen.
We want to make sure the new sink will fit perfectly in the hole we already have, so we took measurements and went to Lowes.com for some online sink shopping.
Our sink is pretty standard, but even if it had a unique shape and size, Lowe's can special order just about any sink you need.
Well, our new sink just arrived and I can't wait to get it installed, but first I have to remove the old sink.
An undermount sink is attached to the countertop with silicone sealant and metal clips.
We're going to use a razor knife to slice through the silicone, then unscrew all the clips.
Removing an undermount sink is definitely a two-person job.
Yeah, and I appreciate you not dropping the sink on my head, babe.
I know, we can't afford a cracked sink.
Yeah, but what about my head?
Meh. If your old sink is in pretty good condition, you can call your local Habitat for Humanity or other donation center before you just throw it away. They may be able to give it another life.
Now we need to prep the surface for the new sink. I'm using this razor scraper to remove any old silicone that was left behind. Then I'm going to clean the countertop and the sink with denatured alcohol.
Next, we're going to position the sink in the cabinet below the hole and apply a bead of 100% silicone sealant along the edge. After Cody raises the sink up to the countertop, he'll hold it there while I make sure it's positioned correctly. We laid this 2x4 on some towels to avoid scratching the countertop. I'll run one end of the wood clamp through the drain hole, and Cody will place another 2x4 between the clamp and the sink to avoid damaging the sink. Now, all I have to do is tighten up the clamp to hold the sink in place.
Now that the sink isn't going anywhere, I'm going to reattach the mounting brackets.
There are several types of brackets for undermount sinks. Ours are attached to the countertop with epoxy. Others use a mounting system that anchor into the countertop and may require a specialty drill bit to drill the hole. While Cody is installing the mounting hardware, I'm going to use a damp rag to wipe away any silicone that has oozed out into the sink. Now all we have to do is wait 24 hours for the silicone to dry before we remove the clamp, install the drain, and hook up the sink to our plumbing. We're going to be adding a garbage disposal, and Lowe's already has a great step-by-step video to show you how to do it. Go check it out!
This sink looks great, and it wasn't too hard to install.
Remember, projects like this should be a fun, inspirational adventure. And now you know how to do it right.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and let us know how your undermount sink installation went in the comments.
And if you're ready to start browsing sinks, I've added links to some of our favorites in the description below.
And if you want to see more how-to videos with Ashlee and I, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to the Lowe's YouTube channel.
Thanks, guys!